Shalom, shalom, shalom. This is your brother Wasilkamilbey, and we are Shamstoppers. Man, I hope y'all enjoyed the podcast. We reserve our United States constitutional right, freedom of speech, and everything that rides with it. Declaration of Independence. You know what I mean? Bill of Rights. All that good stuff, man. Freedom of speech, fair use. This is going to be brief. Title 4D is a benefit for people who need it. Okay? It's a benefit for people who need it. Okay? For women who've been neglected, beat up, raped, you know what I mean? And we're going to talk about New Jersey, right? Look at New Jersey law. That's what it says right here. And I'm going to come from a book too. Okay, you see what it says? It says, efficient child support program that is accessible to all citizens, to all the citizens of this state needing, it says needing its service. Okay? All right. Look at this book I got. Okay. This is what? Legislative Findings and Declarations, New Jersey Child Support Program Improvement Act. You see that? See that shit? Look at this over here, though. Wait a minute. See that shit, man? Huh? Just give me y'all a snippet. And y'all, listen to me. Listen to this. You can do a 1983 in the state as well. And in the state of New Jersey, if you were married and your baby mama has left the state, and you want to see your child, you can do a habeas corpus. Okay? You can do that. A habeas corpus. You can do that. Look it up. Look it up in New Jersey. I wouldn't lie. Okay? All right, let me show y'all something else. Parental rights. Y'all see that? Huh? See your parental rights? See that shit? Now you can see it a little bit better. Let me zoom out. Let y'all read that for a little bit. Just making a short video. See that? Title 4D is a benefit, fellas. Remember that, because I'm going to tell you how it's a benefit. If you get SSI, if you get Social Security disability and Social Security income, they will start deducting that shit. They ain't supposed to deduct that because that's exempt, but they do it. Once you use that Social Security number, okay. Now check this out. What does administration mean again, fellas? To manage, to be a manager. You can call in and say, hey, I didn't give nobody authorization or appoint anybody as my manager, aka administrator of my account, aka trust. Okay? Remember that, fellas. Because they have federal codes that means that they cannot compel you to give up that number. Okay? If the bitch find your number, then that's a wrap. That is a wrap. The bitch Her job is to use the child as a transmitting utility and use your social security number to make you pay for her debt. Okay? So that's what you're doing. You're paying for her debt. Under the Social Security Administration, if you go to the website, they're going to have Social Security, go to the Social Security laws, and they have child support up under the Title 4D, administrative. Okay? So she gets the application and she applies for services, which I just showed you, especially in New Jersey. Whoever goes applies for those services, you know what I mean, who needs those services, that's who they're going to give it to. If you don't rebut it or beat it in the beginning. You can beat it in the middle as well, especially if it has been tainted with fraud. Okay? See, we're giving y'all these remedies, man. Look at that shit. Who else giving y'all some of these remedies? Huh? Huh? Let me give y'all something else. Hold up. Child support is administrative. It's executive and administrative. Okay? Remember that. See that shit? Granting authority to an administrative agency. The statute must authorize the agency to make determinations in contested cases and must provide some manner of enforcing these determinations. Fellas, you must contest, and go after the bitch, okay? Because it's the bitch who put your shit on. It's not the agency. You got some bozos on here keep talking about suing a $1 trillion agency. I haven't seen them win yet, okay? They blowing smoke out their ass, all right? And yours, okay? You have to go after the people who did this shit to you. I said the people. People. Okay? A person. A flesh and blood human being went down there and put your shit on paper. She co-signed your name. Right? It's common sense. Right? The Social Security Administration, yeah, if you don't want to participate in, give them their card back. It's their card. You was given that number. Everybody has one. Everybody has a birth certificate, and when everybody dies, they're gonna have a death certificate. Period, point blank. I don't give a fuck who you are. I don't give a fuck about your feelings, because the truth don't give a shit about your feelings, neither yours nor mine. Okay? Look at this shit. You reading what's on the screen? The administrative executive agency or the executive agency is usually a subdivision of the state executive branch. You see that? Look at that. Fellas, go research what I said. Habeas corpus to get custody. Okay? You can use that. Especially in New Jersey. You can use that. It's under the stats. What else? You can do a 1983 in the state. Okay? If you get your ass beat, battery, and 3 more other things that I seen. I'm not going to tell everybody what that is, but 3 other more things that I seen. You know what I mean? And 2, it's got to be a special circumstance to sue a judge, but you cannot sue a judge under 1983. You cannot. I'm sorry, but you can't. Okay? You can sue him somewhere else in another tort. 1983, I haven't seen it, man. It's not, man. Blessings versus Freestone. Okay? We giving it to you right here raw. You know what I mean? Ain't nobody else giving it to you. And I don't give a fuck who don't like it. Real talk. But here you go, fellas. This goes out to all my baby mamas. with all that fucking drama. Okay? Think about it, fellas. If she wouldn't have got that Social Security card number, Social Security number, you wouldn't be on child support. It's for needy people. Okay? Child support is for needy people. All right? Remember that. Other than that, you good, fellas. Hit us up. We're gonna come back. We're gonna talk about the Tinder years on the next live stream. Be looking out for the Tinder years. Okay? I know a lot of these idiots don't know nothing about the Tinder years. You know, we gonna show y'all some shit. Alright? Y'all ain't gonna be out here blind. Don't let nobody lead y'all out here blind. You know what I mean? Y'all gotta look up this shit. You can do a habeas corpus, especially if you've been married. Alright? So, hit us up, man. You need some help? I mean, I know some be some haters because they can't read. Only niggas that hate us, the niggas that can't comprehend and read. I mean, I'm cool with that. You know, we cool with that. We don't have no problem with it. You know what I mean? It is what it is. When bitches get horny, niggas die. You know what I mean? But remember this case right here. Remember this. That's what the Supreme Court says. Okay? Y'all got parental rights. Don't let nobody tell y'all. I used to say it a long time ago. Go see your children. You know, if they interfering with you, sue their ass. Okay? Hit us up. Peace.